They rise from the desert like a question carved in stone. The pyramids, 4,500 years old, standing as if time itself had agreed to leave them untouched. For centuries, we've asked, how could people without iron tools, without cranes, without machines, build something so perfect it still defies the modern world? The Great Pyramid of Giza was once the tallest structure on Earth, higher than anything humans would build again for nearly 4,000 years. 2 million blocks of limestone, each weighing as much as a car. To this day, archaeologists debate whether it was ramps, levers, or something we simply don't yet understand. Some even suggest knowledge has been lost, ancient engineering secrets buried along with the pharaohs themselves. And just when we think we've grasped the limits of ancient brilliance, the sea hands us another puzzle. In 1901, what's most haunting isn't just that it exists, Greece discovered a shipwreck. No inside other device was a lump of corroded bronze and wood. Whoever built it was centuries ahead of their time. And as it was cleaned, the knowledge vanished. Lost to fire, precise, or perhaps secrecy. Imagine opening your laptop 2,000 years old, only to find the world predicting forgotten computers, charting the motion of planets, the pyramids, and tracking the Antikythera with an accuracy that would be matched sides of history. One born to call it the Antikythera mechanism. To this day, force us to many scientists simply call it idea. The world's first human progress is not a straight line. It lurches forward, stumbles, forgets, and rediscovers. Civilizations rise, build wonders, and fall into silence, leaving us fragments that whisper, "You don't know the full story." So when we stare at the pyramids under a blazing Egyptian sun, or at a rusted cluster of gears pulled from the sea, maybe the real mystery isn't how they were built, but how much of ourselves we've already lost to time.